Okay, everybody imagine, you got a box 16 by 22 by 14. So the length of the box is 16. The breadth is 22 and the height is 14. Now, I want to lay cubes along the length of the box. Okay? The length of the box 16, right? I want to lay 3 centimeter cubes along the length of the box. And how many cubes can I lay? I divide by 3. Right? I can only lay 5 cubes and I have 1 centimeter. This is remainder 1, meaning there's a 1 centimeter gap. I cannot put in another cube because my cube length is 3 centimeter. The balance of 1 centimeter is not enough. So the maximum number of cubes I can lay along the length of the box is 5, with a remaining 1 centimeter gap, which I just have to forgo. Okay, that's the length. So now imagine the box, you lay along the bottom length, there's 5 cubes. Now I want to lay along the breadth. Okay, along the breadth. The breadth of the cube is 22 centimeter. I divide it by 3, I get 7 remainder 1. Meaning, along the breadth, I can put 7 cubes. Along the breadth of the box, I can put 7 cubes. And then after the 7th cube, there will be a 1 centimeter gap. Space, which is too small to put in another one. So I have to forget about that space. So I have 7 cubes along the breadth, 5 cubes along the length. Okay, 5 cubes along the length, 7 cubes along the breadth. Now, in one layer, I will have 5 times 7. All right. Okay, you worry about that later. Now, let's stack. Let's stack up. If I were to stack up cubes onto the box, that means how many cubes can I stack onto the box? That depends on the height of the box, right? The height of the box is 14. So 14 divided by 3, I get 4. And I remainder 2. Meaning I can stack 4 cubes. And if I stack one more, my last cube will be out of the box by 1 centimeter. Because after the 4th cube, there's a 2 centimeter gap from the top of the box to my 4th cube. Can you imagine that? Okay, so this is how you are going to lay your cubes inside the box. 5 cubes along the length, 7 cubes along the breadth, 4 cubes you stack up. So how many cubes can I put in the box? It'll be 5 times 7 times 4, 140. Okay, now, any question? This is very important. Any question? If you've got question, ask me. Any question? Is everyone clear?